This video will show you 4 ways to localize web sources. The first way to localize results is by looking at the country code top-level domains. Top-level domains are the final part of a domain name, such as .com, and the country code top-level domain are country-specific. A rather extensive list can be found on Wikipedia, and it lists both the country code level domain as well as the respective country. The tool TLD Counter allows you to enter a list of URLs. If you hit count TLDs, it will count the specific types of TLD in the list you entered, and it outputs a list. The second way to localize web resources is by looking at Whois data. For instance, if we look up govcom.org, we can see that the website is registered in Maastricht in the Netherlands. The location returned is the location of the registrant of the specific domain. Note that all pages from platforms like Facebook and Twitter will all resolve into the location of the person who registered the domain name and not of the user of the profile. The tool geographer works with Whois data, and you can enter a name of the map, enter a URL, we'll do the same one here. And if you then hit send file, the tool will retrieve Whois information and plot the URL or URLs on a map. I have prepared this one before for you, and here you can indeed see Maastricht, and you can show the results on a world map. Maastricht is located here. The third technique makes use of the IP address of a website. IP numbers are assigned in blocks to countries and other entities. Conversely, domain names and their respective IP addresses can be traced back to a location, and this is what the tool geoIP allows you to do. For example, we again look up govcom.org. If you click submit on the tool, you can see that govcom.org is hosted in Boston, United States. The location returned is the physical location of the server hosting the specific domain. Here too, platform URLs resolve to the hosting location of the platform and not the individual users. Finally, locations can be manually extracted from text on web pages. If we again take the example of govcom.org, most websites have an About Us page with contact information. And here we can see that the website directs to the University of Amsterdam, which is located in the Netherlands. So these are 4 ways to determine the location of a web resource. As we have seen, the same website can thus have multiple locations depending on how location is determined. The usefulness of each depends on the research questions.